URL. This is one more property. I am connecting with the MySQL database. Spring dot data source dot data source dot username. Okay, and one more property is nothing but spring dot data source dot password. Okay, so for example, driver class name, how to find out the driver class name is nothing but a Control Shift T, just like click on the driver. Here if you are seeing here the driver class name, we can find out. We can take like this. This is the driver class name. What is the package for the MySQL? This is the package. Okay, and Control C, and go to the application.property file, just this one, and we need to use like a driver. We are getting like this also anyway. Okay, what is the URL? JDBC colon MySQL colon localhost colon 3306. We are connecting with the test schema, so that we need to use like a test schema. What is the username for my MySQL? Root is the username, root123 is the password. This is the details we have given. So here what we are going to do in the JDBC application, for example, in case of a Spring application, we need to create like a data source bean, but here no need to create like a data source bean. For example, in MySQL database, go to MySQL database. For example, I have created like a one table. What is the table? College table. Describe college. Okay, sorry, semicolon. CID and CNAME is there here. So I want to insert the data to the college. How to insert the data to the college? Using like a insert command. How we are going to write? Insert into college values. What is the CID? For example, college ID. College ID is nothing but some 12 comma, the college name is Harsha College, for example, Harsha College. Okay, Harsha College like this, and yeah, JDBC template that update method, just like this one. Yeah, sysout. The record is inserted. Here what we are going to do, observe the one thing, the update method return type is in integer, no need to take that one. So that what is happening here, once the application, before returning like a application context, it is calling like a command line runner, run method is going to be executed. So how it is going to be executed, we need to go for like in detail. And for example, I want to insert the record to into the college table. Already college table is created. So let me run it. So here what we have done, only we have configured like a database properties only. But apart from that, did you configure any data source bean? We haven't configured. As well as we haven't configured like even JDBC template also. But we are getting like a JDBC template. How we are going to get like a JDBC template? By using like a object dependency @AutoWord JDBC template. Let me run the application. So how to execute this one as a Java application? The record is inserted. Here if you are observing here, so what is happening, insert into college values Harsha, and this is for example, the command line runner run method is going to be executed, and it is inserting the record. The record is inserted. So go to database and select star from college. Semicolon. One record is inserted. 12 comma Harsha. What is the advantage? Of course, anyway we can insert the record by using Spring also. But what are the benefits we are going to get here? We didn't declare any data source. As well as we haven't declared any JDBC template also. However, but we are going to get like a JDBC template is already configured based on the class path. Where is the class path? If you are seeing here, Spring Data JDBC is there. By that Spring JDBC, the JDBC template object is already configured, already created by the enable auto configuration. That is the advantages of this one. So what is this one command line runner? After before returning like a application context, it calls like a command line runner, run method is going to be executed. Okay, this is the way we are going to, we have created like a JDBC template application, JDBC application. So but in case of normal approach, we need to create like a connection object, we need to create like a statement object, we need to create like a SQL query object, like this all these steps we have to follow it. But in this in case of Spring Boot, no need to configure like a anything, directly we can simply getting like a JDBC template, we need to autowide, that is required only, and we have to get like a JDBC template and we can perform like a whatever operations we require. Okay, so this is the way we are going to develop like a JDBC applications. And Spring Data JPA is also there, that is more flexible than a JDBC. Those examples we will see. And coming to the web application, how to create like a web application? File, new, Spring Starter project. Okay, and what is the web application? Spring MVC application I am going to develop. MVC application I am going to develop. Here also just like everything is common, Spring com.mvc and click on next. Okay, here what I need to select like a web MVC, I need to select Spring Web, because always we can search the things like a simply here only web project. For example, I want to create like a web project, Spring Web dependency we have to require. So that click on next. Okay, click on finish. MVC application is created. In this MVC application, if you observe here, in this MVC application, if you observe here, in the Maven dependencies, all the dependencies are there. Spring Boot Starter Web 2.3.7 version is there. Spring Boot auto configuration, because of this auto configuration only, all the beans are created like a JDBC template, like a different beans, data source beans, because of this dependency. So come down, let's come down. Here if you are observing here also, Tomcat dependency also we can find out. Where we can find out the Tomcat dependency is available, Tomcat embedded WebSocket dependency is also available. So because of this one, the embedded Tomcat is available with the application itself only. That is the flexibility of this one. Okay, so already I have told how to create like a MVC applications. For example, first of all I need to create like a package. So here if you are observing, I open this MVC application, it is also nothing but a Spring Boot application. So I want to write a controller. How to write a controller? Before writing a controller, we need to create a package. What is the package I am going to create? com.mvc.controller I am creating the package. Okay, finish it. I am writing like a one thing. What is the class I am going to write? One controller class I am going to write. For example, I am writing like a some anything employee controller. For example, employee controller. So otherwise we are going to write like a some student controller. So I have created like a controller. In this controller, how to make this one as a controller? We can use, of course, we can use like @ component, but better to use, preferably to use like a @ controller annotation. Which annotation we are going to use? @ controller annotation, control space. Okay. So after that we need to write like a methods. What methods we are going to write? Like a, for example, I am going to write like a string, the return type is string. We can take like a model and view object like this. Model and a view object we can return, otherwise we can return like a string. So get student, simply the method is nothing but a get student. Okay. Get student is the method. Get student is the method. In this method I am writing like a return, this is the student. Okay, otherwise we are going to give like a some JSP page. Which JSP page? Student JSP page. Okay, student JSP page. This is the controller. So that this method I want to make it as a get mapping method. Get mapping method, otherwise we can use like a request mapping also, get mapping, and we are going to get like a student. How to get that student? By using like a some URL is required. So this is equivalent to the @request mapping plus the request method is equivalent to the @get mapping. So for this one, what I need to create? I need to create like a, for the string it is returning. It is returning like it is once again it is converting into again like a model and view object. We need to define like a model and view object. So how to define like a, for example, first of all, in this one src main Java is there na, but here what I need to do, we have to create like a web app folder. How to create like a web app folder? Src main, we need to create like a folder is nothing but a web app folder, because it is a web application. Web app folder has to be created, and on this one, and after the web app folder I have to create like a webinf folder also, because for any web applications webinf directory is required, that is the private directory, webinf is required. So here in this one I need to create like a some pages, one more folder like a pages I have created. In this I have created like a one JSP, that is nothing but a, the one file is nothing but a student.jsp. Student, because we are returning what we are going to return a student, so that we need to create like a student.jsp. Student.jsp is created. So that